Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Cancun vlog. This is supposed to be my post birthday trip, so we about to have so much fun, and I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to pack my stuff for Mexico. My trip is in 2 more days. I'm so pressed. Yesterday, I had went to Target and picked up some things. I ain't show y'all yet. I'm about to show y'all. But hold on, let me pause what I'm watching. I'm watching this YouTube video. But yeah, so right here looking real crazy because I had just opened my package from Shein and I just tried on everything. But yes, I look so crazy right now, but it's okay because I'm getting my hair done on Wednesday. I'm gonna have a curly wig because a curly wig on vacation just gives simple. Like, you know, you don't gotta do too much with your hair. So right now, I just tried on my Shein clothes. I did try on her on TikTok. I'm gonna put that in the link below. Y'all should check that out. So right now, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target yesterday. I just picked me up some mini travel essentials, and I also did a video on that on TikTok. So if y'all wanna see that video, y'all can click the link in the bio. But yeah, I just got me some essentials like soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, all that. So yeah, my Shein clothes. It was just my second package. I got a first package. I did a video on that. But right now, I'm going to just show y'all what I got from Target. Alright, this is the bag of stuff I got from Target. It was a lot of stuff, y'all. But I'm going to just put everything out for y'all to see. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. I just picked up a few things that I need because I didn't want to take too much stuff. This is not part. So here's a little view of everything I got. I just got me some wipes, some hand sanitizer. This is my favorite hand sanitizer, y'all. It smells so good. I got me some toothpaste, and most of the stuff is for me, my sister, and my mom because we are the ones going on this trip. Some mouthwash, some sunscreen. You can't go wrong with some sunscreen. I got some deodorant, travel size soap, some toothbrushes, of course, face wash, soap, just some travel containers, a razor, some aquaphor because I use this on my lips and my face. But yeah, just a few little items. But yeah, this is my Shein stuff. It's not a lot of stuff. I just got a few items because I feel like I needed more clothes. And this is like some accessories like the shoes, the sunglasses, and then just some tape for like when I'm wearing my outfits, a phone case. But yeah, y'all. So right now, I'm about to just start packing some stuff. I need to get my suitcase from upstairs. So that's what I'm doing right now. Y'all, the trip is literally in 2 days, and I'm literally just now starting to pack. Like, what's going on? But I'm just gonna pack like my outfits that I already have planned. I got my suitcase, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Here's my suitcase. I got me a little tag on it. I wish it was pink, but we're gonna do it. What we got, it's a Steve Madden. If y'all don't already know where I'm going to Mexico, Cancun, Mexico. And this is supposed to be for my birthday trip, but you know, I had to push my trip back for some personal reasons. But we back and we outside. Like, oh my gosh, I can't wait, y'all. I've never been to Mexico. Like, I'm so pressed. Let me show y'all the mess that's going on right now. Like, this is the whole situation right now, and I need to pack my outfits and put it in here. And then I have another box of clothes downstairs in the basement, so I need to go get that. And I'm gonna just put everything together, make sure it's organized, and I'm gonna show y'all that. So, like, y'all, this is no joke. I really have a whole another box full of clothes. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I'm gonna have endless outfits for days. Like, it's so crazy. It's done jazzy, good. It's done jazzy, done jazzy. Just put the record
time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to my mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion.
Alright, y'all, so I just left the beauty supply store and I got me a few items. I'm about to go to the mall right now to get me some more face wash. But yes, y'all, the trip is tomorrow, officially tomorrow. And I'm so excited, but I'm over here getting stuff last minute. I did my hair, as y'all can see, last night. Period. But y'all, it's hot. It's really hot. And I got on this long sleeve, like, whew. But anyways, I'm about to quickly run into the mall. I low-key wanted to look at stuff, but I feel like I have no time. So, yeah, it's currently 1:11. And I need to go home and finish packing my stuff, so. I hate freaking driving, like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I was in the beach park, so I got some cute items. I got me a lace band, I got some moves, I got some travel size things because I didn't want to grab too much stuff that's gonna be like making my bag heavy. Because since I have a curly wig, all I'm really bringing to the trip is like my hot comb, some mousse, and some Eben spray. So I bought like the miniature size of the Eben spray because I didn't want to bring my big old bottle with me on the trip. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring that with me. I got a cute lace band. It's so cute. I'm gonna just show you everything. I'm gonna do a little haul of what I got when I get in the house. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, Mexico tomorrow. Like, I'm really excited. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all. Yesterday I got my lashes filled in. I probably already inserted the clip in the video. But yeah, I got my lashes filled in and I added bottoms. I added bottoms to the bottom of my lashes because I just wanted to give, you know, vacation. So yeah, so I'm just going to Ulta. I'm not trying to take that long at Ulta because all I really need is my face wash and literally that's it. But I wanted to look inside the store, but like I said, I have no time. But I might just go ahead and look because I need like one more bathing suit, y'all. Like the bathing suits I got from Shein, it's not giving. Like Shein be capping sometimes because the sizes be wrong. But yeah, oh my gosh, I hope y'all could hear me this whole time because my AirPods just connected. But I see Ulta right here. I'm about to find me a parking. The only thing I hate about coming to this mall is that it's never parking. Like last time I got a good spot though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So let me park and find. Alright guys, so I just came back from the mall and the beauty supply store. I went to Ulta and then I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up this Cancun curling cream for my wig because I need to make the curls more defined, and this seems like a good product, but it's for kids, but I'm just gonna use it on my wig. And then got some Eben spray because I didn't want to bring my big one on the trip, so I'm bringing this miniature one. I got me some more of this mousse. This mousse is actually really good for edges and it holds really well. And then this for my mom. They're really cute. And this shower cap. I also picked up these eyebrow pencils. This lace band is so cute because I need a new one. I'm tired of this pink and black one. So I got a black and white one. And then lastly, from the beauty supply store, I got a claw clip because I want to be putting my hair up, like, you know, for at the pool. If we go to the pool, I can just clip my hair up. And it's a large one, so it's really good. And it's pink, my favorite color. Come here. Come here. Don't knock my phone. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. I just picked up like 4 things, not too much. I got me some more of this face wash, the Urban RX. Okay, then I picked up this hand sanitizer. And then I also got me a travel size makeup wipe. And I got another face wash. Okay, so now my Amazon packages. I got 4 packages. Don't you guys be excited to open packages? I low-key forgot what I got. But... oh yeah, this is the mic for my camera. I'm gonna open that later. Don't know what this is. Oh, I opened this so wrong. More film to my Polaroid camera because I'm bringing my camera on the trip. I got some immune gummies. Take one right now. It has vitamin D, high protein, vitamin C, immune support, and it's the raspberry flavor. Oh, it's a little sweet. It's the box. I have more packages coming today. Oh, this is the portable charger. This is all the stuff I got. This is how everything is looking right now. I still need to pack. Everything is just there. Alright, so it's been a lot going on, but now I'm about to finally finish packing my bag. So it's the day before Cancun. So, you know, it's getting a little hectic now. But right now I'm about to pack my hair stuff, like my hot combs, my lace spray, and all that. So I was getting my hot comb. But yeah, it's looking really crazy. And I still got to put on my waist beads. But yeah, so far, I just need to pack. I need to also pack my camera. Let me set y'all up. Hold on. Alright, guys. So it's been so much going on, but I'm still packing. My suitcase is looking decent right now. I just packed my makeup. Everything is in here. I'm about to put this in my suitcase. My suitcase is looking a little crazy. Oh, I forgot my brush. Let me put my brush in here. I gotta make sure I have all my liquid stuff in my suitcase, not my carry-on. This is my carry-on. Y'all, my mirror. Oh my god. Let me see if this is like my shower stuff. I'm gonna see if I can put it in here. It's gonna take up space. Yeah. Okay. My shoes and my Polaroid camera now. So I'm about to pack my Gucci slides.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary.
So my suitcase is packed. Don't mind the rip. Y'all saw in the video I ripped that because I was trying to stuff too much stuff in there. But yeah, so we good on the suitcase. I ain't closed it yet because I still have to put my contact case in there. And I also the tripod. Where did I even put the tripod? I'm not sure. I think I already put it in my carry-on. Yeah, I put my tripod in here. I'm gonna put my camera. I need to get my Polaroid for this. This is just a charger that I'm gonna be bringing on the plane. Put my phone to my face wash. I'm probably gonna end up putting this in here and put it in my suitcase. This is the mic for my camera. This headband I'm gonna wear tomorrow morning. And then I also got 2 more packages delivered. And I think it's just my but I got 2 Amazon packages. I believe one of them is my airport fit. It's just a 2-piece. And then I think, I don't know. Let's open it and see what I got because I low-key forgot what I even ordered. All right, guys, this is a weird angle, but let's open the box. Y'all, I'm so tired. We've been ripping and running everywhere. I went to the mall today. I finally changed my nose ring. I put a little heart. So cute. I got my lashes done yesterday. Today I went to Ulta and Forever 21. I ain't get nothing from Forever 21 because it was a little too expensive in there. Oh yeah, so I ordered me some bonnets and because I needed a new one because mine was ripped. These are bracelets. Yeah, I got some bracelets. This is the 2-piece set I was talking about. I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna wear this to the airport with my foam runners. Probably my telfar bag, my black telfar bag. But so hard to open. Okay. Yeah, this is the baby oil I was talking about, y'all. Because this is like my favorite type of baby oil to mix with lotions and stuff. Because I'm going to be wearing sunscreen most of this trip. But yeah, I just got me the Johnson's baby oil gel. But yeah. But y'all, I didn't even... My lashes, like, they look so pretty, period. The bracelets. I'm just using the scissors to open everything because I'm in a rush, like I said. Okay. The bracelets I get are really cute. And it was like $15 on Amazon. I was surprised. And then, y'all, when I went to Forever 21, I should have vlogged in there. I don't know why I didn't vlog. I was just trying to be in and out. But I saw some bracelets in there. They was really cute. And some earrings. Okay, yeah. This is like the same bonnet I have right now. But it's just newer. Because the one I had rips in it and all that. And it's pretty big because I needed a semi-large bonnet. And it came with the black one as well. These are cute. Okay. Nice and simple bonnets. Okay. This is the 2-piece set. It's a Skims dupe in the color Long Coffee. I don't know if y'all can see that. In the color Long Coffee. I low-key thought it was brighter in the picture, but I guess this would do. It's brown. Okay. I got a size medium. It's really stretchy. Okay, this is cute. The top, I believe. Yeah, this is the top. Oh, I thought it was going to be longer, but it's like a little tank. I can't even pronounce that. But I'll put the link for this in the bio. Everything I got will probably be linked. That's what's going on right now. So I'm going to be back on here when... I don't even know. But the plan is I had to wake up at 4 a.m. Our flight is at 8 a.m. But I have to wake up at 4 a.m., drive back home in the morning, and then we want to leave the house by 6 o'clock, get to the airport, get situated, get checked in, all of that. But our flight to Cancun is at 8 o'clock. We'll get there at 10:32, I believe. So, yeah. Good morning, guys. It's the day of Cancun. Woo! So... I've never been to Mexico, so right now it's currently 5:55 and we're on our way to the airport. Our flight is at 8, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm so excited. Let me show y'all the fit. The fit is real calm and real simple. Don't mind the mess in the back, y'all, but that's the fit. I just do my hair in a claw clip. Y'all can't really see it, but yeah. So guys, we're in the car right now, at the airport right now. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh, Mexico. I mean, see it right. Yeah, my sister got these Quest s'mores protein bars. It's so chewy.
Y'all say in their lingerie on that Chardonnay's going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack. I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I would know pound cake.
Okay, guys, we just got to the airport. I'm proud. So tired. I'm not too tired. What did you say? It's my face is so shiny.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling.
Alright, y'all, so right now we just walked through security and we're walking to our gate. But yeah, I'm so excited. Cancun.
The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when
Alright guys, we just landed in Mexico. Guys, we made it to Cancun. So now we're getting our transportation.
Make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
So right now we're trying to exchange our American money for pesos. That's what it's called, pesos.
Okay, that's the rate.
So yeah, it's hot, guys. Look what I got on. I have on this sweater, and she has on a hoodie. I know she's hot.
He don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mindless you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
Guys, we're at the resort.
The party's about to start. Hey!
Okay, so we're about to check in now. We're gonna sign our name and everything on the paper. But yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get situated and get cute.
Sexy lady, say now, get nobody with you over. Let the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy that they buy? That's something you know she die. And then I really put it too bad. Midnight hours that she got. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm your cousin. You make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm your cousin, hold you for life.
Alright guys, so we at the resort already. I think I already told y'all that. But right now I'm just getting ready. I'm doing my eyebrows. And then we about to go to the beach. And after the beach we're gonna go to the pool on here when I'm done getting ready. But after my makeup I'm gonna do my hair. But yeah y'all, the room is so bomb. And our the guy on the resort, he's really nice. And he helped us book our excursions for the weekend, so that should be fun. But yeah, I picked out my outfit already. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. And y'all, how did I really forget setting spray? But good thing my mom packed some setting spray because my makeup would have looked dry. But yeah, so this weekend we're gonna do, hopefully we're gonna still do the excursions. And then we have, what's the other thing we're doing? We're gonna go to this island and go on this boat. But guys, we're not here for that long. We're just here for the weekend, you know. But we still want to have, we still want to do something fun for the weekend. I don't even know why I'm talking while I'm doing my eyebrows, because I can't talk and do eyebrows because now I'm messing up.
I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. Pick up at five. If you hit your enemies shine.
Okay, let me throw my makeup and I'll be back. Alright, hey vlog. So right now I'm all dressed. So now we're going to the beach. It's so beautiful, but it's so pretty here, guys. This is really a vibe. Hi. What's that?
Starfish,
Oh, okay.
green chai,
Uh-huh. Do I want to hold it?
decoration for your house.
Oh, it's cute.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we fall
Okay.
Just rice.
I like that. Right? Which one's mine? This one? Yeah. I hope it's not pepper. Oh, it's a soft salsa? What's that? Salsa? Is it good? Do I squeeze this on? Shake your napkin. Alright guys, so let me try this out. Wait for me, did you squeeze lemon?
And I'm going to get rice.
I put the lemon throws it off.
That's how I do it.
I don't like too much lemon. What did you add? I just put lemon in whatever. I didn't put it in. What is it? I just tried it. It's saucy. Like the chips. Okay, right? We're going to eat cheers. This is Al Pastor. She said it's Al Pastor, so it has pork in it. Okay, wait, let me show. Okay. Better go get some? Yeah, it's good.
Especially that one that she made. Is that this salad?
What? I tried to sip. I didn't know that was yours. Steak. It's good. Ten. Alright y'all, so I'm about to get in the pool. I'm waiting for my sister. I don't know where she went. But guys, it's really a vibe out here. It's so pretty. Alright guys, we just left the pool. We're about to go back to the room and take our showers. My hair literally got so, yeah, my mom put it in a twist for me. I'm about to go wash it when I take a shower. Oh, you remember we came up? Yeah, we took steps. Day 1 of Cancun complete. Well, not complete yet, because we don't know what we're about to do tonight. Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Cancun. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. And everybody went to the gym and left me because I am not gonna have no time to get ready. They wanted to go to the gym for like 30 minutes. But I'm gonna probably just go tonight and call it a day. But right now, I'm trying to get some good lighting. Right now, we're going to this island, and the resort is gonna take us on a bus. So that will be fun. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But yeah, right now I just washed my lashes because I need to wash them. And then I'm about to start getting ready. to get to the island. I have my outfit picked out, so hopefully it looks cute. But let me show y'all the view. This is the view. It's so pretty, guys. Like, oh my gosh. The swimmer bar is right there. And then we have a regular pool right here. Yeah, overall, the place is really nice and beautiful. This is the living room area, as y'all can see. And then we have our own kitchen. If you want to cook, you can cook. They have cups and everything provided. Towels, utensils, coffee maker. Oh, they have coffee. Hold on, I did not see this. Y'all, hold on. They have a whole coffee kit. That's cool. And then we have a fridge. If you want to make some ice. And then we have our fridge with beers. And we have food from yesterday. We have a whole stove. It's really giving. I didn't really give y'all an overview of the place, but it's cute or whatever. Yes, day 2 in Cancun. I'm so pressed. So beautiful here, like very beautiful. But yeah, right now I'm about to just start getting ready. I took a shower last night, so let's get ready for day 2. But yeah, last night, all we did last night was just stay on the resort. We just walked around, explored. We talked to some people. They were really nice. They're really nice. What else did we do? We went to the restaurant that they had, and we had some food. They played some nice music, and there was a girl singing. It was so nice. The food was really good. The tacos was really, really good. And after that, me and my sister went to the pool. We went to the swim-up bar. It was really nice. It was really fun and chill. We had some drinks. You already know. It was really nice. Like, yeah. Okay. The lighting in the room. I'm sorry. I had to set y'all up because I needed some good lighting. And this is like the only good lighting in the room. So, I'm going to show y'all my outfit that I'm about to wear today. It's just this black 2-piece. I had posted this on my TikTok. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all probably seen it. It's like a skirt. And you wrap it around your like swimsuit, I guess. This is the bottom. It's really long and cute and flowy. And then the matching top to go with it. It's too cute. So you can wear like this, or you can wear like pasties under. I have some boob tape for like if I need some in the little nipple covers. But this is the top. It's really cute. And then I was gonna wear it with my Gucci slides. These Gucci slides. I also did an unboxing on my TikTok about these, so y'all should check them out. And then I just have a black swimsuit, I have a 2-piece from Shein in black that I was probably gonna wear under because we're going on a boat and I might want to wear like a swimsuit under. But these are the bottoms. It's giving thong, and this is the top. The top is looking a little small, but I don't know. Cause I got big tatas, so I don't know. We're gonna see. But if I don't end up wearing the top, I'm probably just gonna put the nipple covers on my nipples. So we'll see. Right now, I'm probably about to just do my eyebrows. I want to just do my eyebrows and probably like light makeup. Cause last night I did like a lot, so I'm probably just gonna do like light makeup, not too much. So, and y'all, I brought my camera, right? The viral TikTok camera. But I need to do a review on this because y'all, the camera is cool, but it's not giving like the quality is not giving. So it just turned on. I need a camera, but I'm trying to practice with this one right now. Cause you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm investing into a camera, y'all. So stay tuned for that. I really want a Canon camera, or a Sony, because those are like the best cameras I see right now. Right now we gotta do some breakfast, and then I'm about to exchange my American money for some pesos. We got some cheesecake right from the gym.
Make me your girl,
from breakfast, and then right now we're about to get ready to go to this island on a boat. So yeah, I also want to say hey to the vlog. Yeah, y'all, I came to get something to drink, and I need some hair ties for my hair. So oh, look at this. We need to try these. So right now we just finished and we're about to go to the boat island. This is the fit check. It's just like this. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is the fit. So cute. I'm out of town. Plans changed. We're going to the island tomorrow, and then right now we just booked to go do the jet ski. Oh, it's called Wave Runner. So we're about to go on a wave runner at 3. So right now we're just about to go take pictures. So tomorrow we're going to the island, and so we're gonna do the wave runner, and then is it called parasailing? Parasailing. So right now we're about to go take some pictures. And yes, guys, we look so cute. Me and my sister are matching. We're both wearing black. I think I already said that. Alright, so right now we just got some drinks. So right now we're about to go take some pictures. Oh, somebody's on the swing. So we can still go.
Make a call, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a cheap, but she phone, 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 your body, make a phone, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chugga de, fine, fine, oh, bugger de, watch your love for like it, why not more de, your body, chugga de, push it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fat, why now,
Alright guys, so we just got dressed for the excursions. We're gonna do parasailing and jet skiing, or the wave runner, whatever. So yeah, this is the fit. I'm gonna show you how to fit when we get outside. My hands are kind of slippery, but I'm gonna record when we get outside. Alright, so this is the fit. This is the bag right here. Oh, let me show you the fit I'm wearing to the dinner tonight. This is what, don't mind the sunglasses, but this is the fit I'm thinking for tonight. The gold bag, the gold heels, and green. I think that would go really good. But anyways, this is the purse I'm wearing for the for parasailing. These are the shoes, and then these sunglasses are coming. Okay, so right now I'm about to take some pictures, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna show you how to fit. Hey vlog, so right now we're going to the jet ski. Now we're going to the jet ski. So I just want to show you how to fit. So hat from Shein, bag from Shein, cover up from Shein, swimsuit from Shein, and shoes from Shein. So yeah, everything from Shein.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. When she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up, and I say the same thing every single time.
So right now we're just waiting for the boat to come, and we just took some pictures. And I'm still taking pictures right now. But yeah, the boat's supposed to be coming at 2:50. What time is the boat coming? 2:55. The boat should be coming, and we're gonna get on.
Take heed, fuck these niggas up.
The phone, you can hold your phone. Where do we sit? We're gonna sit something. Yeah, life jacket.
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I can win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that's in the dark, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know who deep, and I know that get both, and the man
I'm never Jetski ever again because that was too scary. This girl right here almost had me drowning and I couldn't breathe. It looked crazy. And I need to go fix my wig. Oh my gosh, my wig. Alright guys, so right now we're going to the dinner. We all have heels on. So yeah, we made reservations for this restaurant. Hopefully we're not late because we're rushing. Y'all, I don't even know how I'm walking in these. I brought my slides just in case. Hey guys, so we're about to order. We're looking at the menu. And it's so nice in here. And I want to take pictures. Thank you.
Our food isn't that. Oh, you know what? I actually like that.
So we just finished eating. Guys. So you guys are riding it on next to you. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's kind of loud in here. But I have to tell y'all what happened on the Jetski.
Sorry for us.
Right now, we're just waiting for our dessert.
Nadia had already gone.
I left. I was dropping me off at the place, and I was just sitting there so mad. Like I was so mad. I was trying to breathe. I couldn't even breathe right. Like, mommy, I was literally crying. Ask this girl. I was literally crying. I thought I was about to die.
I think it's important that they come and get me.
The guy didn't even help me. That's the main reason why I thought he was coming. I literally was saying, help.
They can pick you up.
Well, not pick me up, but at least help.
They like at least they put you on the back of their thing and took you guys back. They made me take y'all back.
Yeah. You know what? We just came back from our dinner and we're tired. Heels off, everything off. Like, I'm tired. I want to sleep. Look at my shoes. Hey vlog, so right now we're about to leave and head to the bus to go to the island. So we're all dressed. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. But yeah, we're running late. We're supposed to get on the bus at 8 o'clock and it's already 8 o'clock. But yeah. And y'all, today's Mother's Day, so we're celebrating my mom today, you guys know. So shout out to all the moms out there. Okay, so we're about to try Starbucks here. Y'all see the sign right there. Drinks, but y'all, they have so much liquor here. Like, oh my gosh. Right now we're walking to the La Fera. It's so hot, guys.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
If you take 2 or 3 or more bottles, I give you a special deal.
Can I try the chocolate?
I need a little more than that. Un poquito más, un poquito más. Chocolate.
Cheers! Chocolate flavor.
Chocolate.
Ooh, that was good.
That was
good. Try the chocolate.
Periana.
Okay, come here, girl.
Hey, papi.
Yes.
Mommy, look at the mugs.
I want
Island. We're waiting to cross the street. Today is our last day in Cancun. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. It's our last day. Guys, why does this look so different? I'm tired. We're going back to the room. We just had some dinner. These stairs are stairsing. Hey vlog, so today's our last day in Cancun. We're just packing up the room and everything. Our bags ready. So yes, bye Cancun. It was fun. Let's go on. Let's get some Mexican snacks. I'm gonna do a video on trying them. So I'm gonna try to get the rest of the place. Yeah, we're about to board. We're about to go home. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. So right now we're at the airport about to board our flight. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.
Remember what I hustle when we all made a killing. Came home at a struggle with it, now I spend $1 million. Going hard for the children, tell the God just a minute. Got my dog in the system,